Hi everybody, my name is Aaron Alpert, and at the 73rd Camp Stockton, I'll be teaching Israeli dances. For those of you who don't know, Israeli dances have a lot of variety to them. Some are fast and some are slow. Some are done in circles, some are done in partners. Some are Ashkenazi, which is Eastern European, and some are Mizrahi, which means Eastern. So there's all sorts of different kinds, but I thought I'd share a particular favorite of mine. This dance is in the Yemenite style. So the Jews who immigrated from Yemen on the Sinai Peninsula to Israel brought their culture and their style with them, and that's part of Israeli dancing today. This particular dance is called Matar. Matar means downpour, like a downpour of rain, and the choreographer is Israel Yacovi.